Retrofit is the process of increasing the energy efficiency of an existing home by increasing its insulation and sealing air leaks. In this video series, you will learn what retrofit is, how it benefits homeowners, and how to perform the basic processes for retrofitting. To begin, it's helpful to understand how a structure such as a house works to create a comfortable interior environment. Heat moves from warm to cool areas. In a home, for example, during winter months, insulation helps keep the house warm by slowing the flow of heat from the interior to the cooler outside atmosphere. In the summer, the opposite takes place. Heat from the outside moves towards the cool, air-conditioned interior space. Air circulation can also move heat from one area to another. Every home has many locations where air can move out of conditioned spaces. Some of these are planned to safely exhaust dangerous gases and moisture vapor from the home. Others are unplanned leaks. The exterior walls, roof, and floor of a structure create a thermal envelope. Its purpose is maintaining a consistent environment inside the home. Adding insulation and sealing air leaks in a home by retrofitting them in existing spaces increases the comfort of the inhabitants and improves the overall energy performance of a home as well. The first step in retrofitting is performing diagnostic tests. There's a wide range of tests and equipment that can be used. The basic purpose of the diagnostic process is to locate air leaks, cold spots, or other conditions that affect the comfort level of a home as well as its energy performance. In addition, diagnostic checks can reveal areas that cannot be retrofitted. The age and condition of a home and the types and condition of electrical wiring and plumbing may make retrofitting an unsuitable solution. If walls are too frail, for example, the force of blowing in insulation can damage them, create a mess, and could also be a potential safety hazard. In addition, water and fire damage and electrical injury are potential hazards to workers and homeowners. Close visual inspection of the environment and mapping out electrical and plumbing routes and wall cavities can help identify whether or not retrofitting is possible. Some checks help locate the most obvious airflow problems. Using a smoke pencil, one of the simplest methods, the tester easily can find areas where airflow is strongest by watching the direction in which the smoke goes. Many types of smoke pencils give off highly acidic fumes and should only be used in well-ventilated areas. Another test uses an infrared camera to measure heat loss in a structure. The infrared camera gauges the heat escaping through any gap in the thermal envelope. When checked after the gap has been sealed or insulation has been added, the temperature reading drops significantly. The most comprehensive test is the blower door test. It helps locate air leaks and measures the overall air exchange rate in the structure. The blower door test requires specialized equipment. Frequently, companies conducting these tests must be certified by organizations such as the Building Performance Institute, BPI. In some locations, a blower door test is required before and after work is done. At minimum, you should verify that the homeowner has a carbon monoxide detector to ensure dangerous gases do not enter the interior of the home. Some contractors install a detector as part of their work in a home if there isn't one present. Some insulation contractors perform their own diagnostic tests, but there are many specialized organizations that conduct home energy audits. Local utility companies often sponsor audits as part of energy use reduction and conservation programs. The specific air sealing and insulating work you do in retrofitting a home is often the result of a diagnostic check. Air sealing is the simplest way to improve a home's energy performance. Sealing or caulking openings in the home's thermal envelope reduces unwanted airflow. Air sealing wall cracks inside and out is often necessary before insulating sidewalls as well to prevent blowing fibers into the home or into the neighborhood. Adding insulation to a home in the attic, exterior sidewalls, crawl spaces, and above-ground areas of a basement are other ways to improve energy performance. In older homes, there may be little or no insulation in some of these areas. Existing insulation may have settled or been disturbed, leaving gaps through which heat can flow. There are many benefits to retrofitting. Homes that are adequately air-sealed and insulated use less energy. This means reduced utility bills for the homeowner. Reducing energy use in a home also means reducing pollution. Less fossil fuel is burned to generate power to meet heating, cooling, and other needs. The most immediate and noticeable benefit is increased comfort for the inhabitants. Air sealing and insulating also increase the durability of a home, reducing the damaging effects of weather and moisture. Retrofit includes diagnosing problem areas, air sealing leaks, insulating or under-insulated areas. Benefits include reduced energy use, reduced energy cost, improved occupant comfort.